Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we dive into the world of electric vehicles and clean energy. Today, we're talking about a major development in the EV industry that's got everyone buzzing. A Japanese company, Automotive Energy Supply Corp., has just paused construction on its $1.6 billion factory in South Carolina, which was meant to produce batteries for BMW's new electric cars. Now, this might seem like a big deal, but before we get into all the details, let's put things into perspective. This factory was supposed to create 1,600 jobs and inject $1.6 billion into the local economy. The reason behind the pause? Policy and market uncertainty. And that's a pretty broad brushstroke. Gov. Henry McMaster is saying that the company is dealing with potential changes in federal tax breaks for EV buyers, incentives for EV businesses, and tariff uncertainties from President Trump's administration. Now, we've been hearing about President Trump's plans to renegotiate trade agreements with countries like China, Japan, and Europe. And it looks like these policies are starting to have an impact on companies like Automotive Energy Supply Corp. The company is worried that the changes could affect its bottom line and its ability to meet its commitments. But here's the thing, this isn't just about one company or one factory. It's about the entire EV industry, which is still in its early stages of growth. And it's about the partnerships between companies like BMW, Volkswagen, and Samsung, who are all investing heavily in electric vehicles. South Carolina has been a big player in the EV game for decades, with major manufacturers like BMW and Michelin setting up shop there. But now, there's a sense of unease that Trump's policies could disrupt those partnerships and stifle growth. ElectroDrive News will be keeping an eye on this situation as it develops. We'll bring you updates on how the situation plays out and what impact it might have on the EV industry. In the meantime, we want to hear from you. What do you think about President Trump's trade policies and their impact on the EV industry? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. As we wrap up this episode of ElectroDrive News, one thing is clear. The future of electric vehicles is uncertain, but it's also full of possibility. We'll continue to bring you the latest news and analysis from the world of clean energy and electric vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on ElectroDrive News.